3 easy ways to whiten or lighten dark skin around your pubic or bikini area. It may be displeasing or cause of embarrassment when you have dark bikini lines. You don't have to have continued to leave this dark skin around your pubic area or bikini area because there are various natural remedies for you to remove excess pigmentation around your pubic and bikini area. The general causes of dark skin around the pubic area may include habitual shaving of the pubic area, friction between the thighs, overexposure to ultraviolet sun rays, excessive perspiration, genetic tendencies and accumulation of dead skin around the bikini line. Remember to take a shower before applying any of these treatments so that your skin is clean. Here are the natural ways to remove this dark skin around your pubic area and bikini lines. 1. Mint and honey. Mint is grown throughout the United States and native to Europe. It generally has a considerable volume of vitamin A and other small amounts of other vitamins. Vitamin A stimulates skin health and helps cell regenerate normally. To lighten the dark region of the pubic or bikini area, crush a handful of the mint leaves to prepare a paste. Add some honey and then massage the dark area, in a circular motion with the mixture. Rinse off after 30 minutes. This way your skin will appear to lighten/white and glittering. 2. Turmeric and orange. A combination of turmeric and orange provides a terrific brew for skin lightening. Turmeric contains ferric oxide, terpenthin and lignin that will make your skin glow. Orange is rich in vitamin C, which will make your skin radiant. A small amount of turmeric with 3 spoonsful of orange in a water glass. Use this mix to massage the dark area and leave it for just 20 minutes and wash off with cold water. Make sure to use this remedy twice a week till you get your desired results. 3. Milk. Milk is the oldest, and perhaps the best treatment for dark skin. The vitamins and minerals contained in milk can be just as beneficial to the outside of your body as they are to the inside. The lactic acid in milk helps in reducing skin hyperpigmentation. Dip a washcloth in milk should be fully saturated, but not dripping. Rub the milk into the clean, dry skin you want to lighten with the washcloth. Keep rubbing the dark pubic area for 15 minutes before washing off with warm water. Repeat this action regularly until you achieve your quest. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave us a like, share with your family and friends to live a healthy life, and please subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing but it means everything to us.